Hey RVers, sleep 6 to 8 in the Class A? What? That's true. This motorhome has got to be on your shopping list. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We're going to go take a peek at the Hurricane 31C. All right, RVers, a Class A that sleeps 6 to 8. Yes, indeedy do. We have the first bed of 4 options that you have in this Hurricane 31C is the overhead bunk bed above the driver and passenger seat. I'm 6'1", as you can see. I can clearly fit and have room for a guest or the second person. So 2 kids, no problem. 2 adults, no problem. Hurricane 31C, bed option number 2, the sofa bed. Again, I'm 6'1", so you can clearly see I'm not sleeping in here, or I'm gonna go angle to angle. So this would be the 1, maybe 2, obviously kids at this sleeper sofa. All right, dinette booth in the Hurricane 31C, sleeper option number 3. As you can see, I'm end to end. I'm gonna probably have to prop up a pillow to have a good night's sleep. So we're gonna go with 1, maybe 2 kids, again, on this bed option. And for the finale, sleeper option 4 in the Hurricane 31C is, of course, the master bedroom. Yeah, this is where I'm at in my camping trips. We're obviously sleeping 2 adults here. What do you think? And bonus footage on the Hurricane 31C, you've got to check this out. Across from the main bed, I have a walk-in closet. Are you kidding me? 2 dressers on each side and a closet pole. That is killer in my mind. Good job, Hurricane. All right, there you have it, the Hurricane 31C. Is it gonna be on your shopping list? I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RV. Show us some love, give us a like. Comment below if you have any questions on this coach, and smash that subscribe button. We'll see you on the road.